Do I need a permit? "95% of the time a person asks this question, the answer is yes. The state of Florida requires obtaining a permit from the appropriate authority for new construction, demolitions, repairs, modifications and additions. Failure to comply with the Florida Building Code can result in a penalty, and normally, the penalty will cost you twice as much as the permit's normal price. So, if you want to start a new construction project, remodel your home, make a repair, modification, or addition but you are not sure if you need a permit or not, do your research first. At Elite Permits, we can work with you to make sure you obtain the appropriate permits for your project in a timely manner. Elite can perform building plan reviews, conduct private inspections, and deal with the building departments so you don't have to. Our amazing team of professionals is waiting to help you. Call us today to learn more or request our services.